Adam.
Yeah!
Adam.
Yeah!
Adam. 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 Adam, let me put on your seatbelt. We're going to land soon. Adam, why are you crying? What happened, Adam? Sorry. I'm sorry. Adam, why are you crying, Adam?
I want to ride the clouds, Dad. I want to run around chasing them.
Huh? Riding the clouds? Adam, right now we cannot play around chasing clouds. But later in Jannah, Insyaallah, you can ride the clouds. You can even chase them.
Really, Dad? I can do it in Jannah?
Insyaallah. Well, that's why all of us have to try our best to enter Allah's Jannah. Now, tell me, how do you think we get into Jannah?
Of course we need to die first, Dad.
Sorry, I'm having a chat with my son. Sorry. You're right, Adam. We're all going to die. But in order for us to get into Jannah, we have to die in good condition, or husnul khotimah, alright? And we can also imitate one of the Sahaba of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. His name Ukashah bin Mihsan radhiyallahu anhu.
Ukasha? My little cousin?
No, their name just similar. This Ukashah is the Sahaba of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, he's always quick in doing good deeds.
What does that mean, Dad?
Well, when Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam tell the Sahaba about a group of Muslim entering Jannah without hisab, Ukasha immediately stood up, asking Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to pray for him. To be a part of that group, he even preceded other Sahaba.
Without hisab, Dad?
Yes, just like a VIP guest. No need to wait in line when our book of deed is checked. And he also a great horse rider. Move quick. Dad, when we enter Jannah, I want to get into it without hisab. Just like Sahaba Ukasha. Masya Allah. Why is that, son?
So, I don't need to wait in long line like that.
Oh, I see. Masya Allah. Amin.